What's your favorite holiday?
Christmas.
New Year's Eve.
Christmas?
My birthday. My birthday and Christmas.
Going to the pool.
What's your favorite thing about the holidays?
That you give people presents.
You get presents and you get to play.
If I get like a few lump of coal, then I'll be a little happy because a lump of coal is like chocolate.
What kind of food do you eat?
Certainly apple pie. Cookies. Leftover cookies.
Stuffing, sometimes turkey.
Of course, ham.
5-day turkey, and I hate turkey. Meat.
Meat? What kind of meat?
Brown meat.
Do you know how to cook? Who cooks at your house?
Mom and Grandma.
How do they cook it?
You put it in the microwave.
What do you do while they're cooking?
I usually just go upstairs, watch TV, and play.
Normally ask her, is it done yet? Is it done yet?
If you go in the kitchen while they're cooking, should you go near the stove?
No,
Why not?
because it's too hot. Kids stay away from it.
Not good at it because I know it's cooking. Then it could burn the pan and maybe start a fire.
Because it gets cook happen.
If you see a fire in the kitchen, what should you do?
I forgot what you used to cover up fire. Not a napkin. Not a napkin.
Mommy, don't make fire in the kitchen because it will burn my mouth and I'll turn into a monster.
What?